Tanya Lewis, what are thoughts on Ozempic? I love Ozempic. Ozempic. 1 week injectable. You take it one injection per week. It makes you lose weight. It controls your diabetes, lowers and improves your hemoglobin A1C level. So it works wonderfully. You can use it with the Lipodrops. I have lots of diabetic patients that are on that and products like it. There are multiple injectables that are like that. Some are daily injectables. The Ozempic happens to be a once a week injectable that works wonderfully. It is one of those products that I highly recommend. They have the similar molecule now has been released. The product is named Wegovy, Wegovy. It is a once weekly injection that is targeted only for weight loss in people that are not diabetic. Why did they come up with this? Well, people that were diabetic and they were taking products like Ozempic were losing weight. And all their friends say, hey, I want to lose weight too. And they say, but you're not diabetic, so you don't qualify for the Ozempic. So they tweaked the molecule, did some more research in people who were not diabetic, and came up with the Wegovy product. So Wegovy is incredible. I'm using it in my weight loss facility for individuals that need a next level weight loss methodology. I'm also using it in conjunction with our entire lipo line of weight loss products. And so we're in real time right now. This has only been going on for a few months now, and we're seeing dramatic weight losses in individuals with this. So that's Wegovy, Wegovy. Google it, look it up, find out more information about it. You have to see a doctor for it. You cannot be diabetic. You have to have a prescription to get it. They literally cannot manufacture it quick enough now. So there's a shortage of it. So if you got a prescription for it today, it may be 6 to 8 weeks before you actually get it. But once you do, you're going to have to enjoy the benefits of weight loss. But I have people that have prescriptions in hand. They're waiting to receive the Wegovy. But in the meantime, they're losing weight with the Lipodrops line. And I tell people several things. Weight loss is one, what supplements you're taking that would allow your body to lose more weight quicker. And so sometimes it takes one supplement, sometimes it takes two, sometimes it takes three. Do you also want to flatten your tummy? Then you want our belly fix combination, which is the Lipo Cleanse and the probiotics along with the Lipodrops formulations. So go to our website, lipodrops.com. See what the product, it will tell you what you need and what you want. First, you decide what you want, and then it will tell you what you want and what you need and make a recommendation based on your particular circumstance that is unique to you. So you will find that some people want to lose a lot of weight quickly. Well, no, everybody wants to lose a lot of weight quickly, but sometimes it's more practical to lose a lot of weight over a longer period of time. And so we'll give you the guidance to do that and direct over how you lose. But our objective is to try to get a minimum of 5 pounds off of you per month. That is what every weight loss program in America promises you. That is our absolute minimum. But our objective is to do 10, 15, 20 pounds. But 5 pounds a month is standard in the weight loss industry. But if you need to lose 60 pounds, that's a lot of time. That's a lot of time. So you want to be more aggressive, which means more products to make your weight loss more rapid, more substantial. And so that is where, it's important to go to the website, lipodrops.com, take the weight loss survey and determine what it is that you need. Make sure you go to every page, make sure you read about every product. So you'll see why does Dr. Kaya recommend this product for this problem, etc. And then you have a greater understanding about that. But remember, you can tune in here and you get all your questions answered.